In the planet's suffocating dark, a creature hunts, a stalking horror, its form a nightmare of predatory intent, alien in every facet. Not born of familiar flesh, it thrives in the methane-drenched air and icy desolation, a predator sculpted by the planet's merciless chemistry. Its forms shift, each a terror honed to kill, to survive, to dominate the shadows. One might be sleek, its body a blade of obsidian-like chitin, segmented and sinuous, gliding over ice with limbs that slice through fibrous mats. Its jaws, not bone but crystalline, drip with corrosive fluids, dissolving prey, microbes or plant-like growths, into chemical fuel. A voice from the abyss. This horror lives, unstoppable, unseen. Much like the iconic creature from the film Alien, this being embodies the unimaginable. Its eerie similarities and grotesque uniqueness remind us of the terrifying possibilities that lie beyond our world. In this dark expanse, the line between reality and nightmare blurs, leaving us to ponder what other horrors might exist in the cosmos. The Skittering Form.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
In the planet's eternal dark, a creature moves. A skittering form, spider-like yet alien.
Came the rain and washed the spider out.
Its body a knot of instinct and adaptation. Not Earth's spider, but a distant echo.
Came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Forged in methane air and icy wastes.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Its forms are many, each a nightmare woven from the planet's chemistry. One might be small, its body a cluster of crystalline segments, legs sharp as needles, skittering over fibrous mats to sip chemical pools. Its legs, not silk spinning, could exude sticky resins, anchoring it against the planet's winds, or trapping microbial prey drifting in the haze. A voice from the abyss. This creature lives, relentless, unseen. Another form looms larger, its frame a lattice of tough, fibrous tissue, like the planet's plant-like growths turned ambulatory. Its legs, jointed yet flexible, probe the ice for geothermal leaks, each step a chemical sensor tasting the air. This creature might burrow, carving tunnels in frozen crust, its body glowing faintly from ingested microbes, a beacon in the dark. Its senses are alien. Perhaps it feels magnetic fields, navigating the planet's unseen currents, or detects chemical gradients drawn to methane surges. Could it weave traps, not silk, but crystalline threads, strung between rocky spires to snare microbial clouds? Or does it hunt, legs stabbing into mats to extract their chemical bounties? This dark world hides its life. Microbes, plants, skittering creatures, pulsing in air or stone. Each hint deepens the unknown. What lives there? Alien and unfathomable. The stars swallow their secrets. In the planet's suffocating gloom, a creature glides, a soaring phantom, its form a specter of alien flight, woven from the dark and the methane-thick air. Not bound by wings of flesh, it navigates the planet's chemical tempests, a predator born of shadow and survival. Its forms are myriad, each a terror sculpted by the planet's relentless forces. One might be sleek, its body a flattened disk of leathery membrane, studded with crystalline vents that exhale chemical jets to propel it through the haze. Its edges bristle with sensory tendrils, tasting methane surges, darting to snatch microbial swarms from the air. A voice from the abyss. This phantom soar, untamed, unseen. A gossamer veil of interconnected membranes, rippling like a liquid shadow. It harnesses the planet's magnetic fields, propelling itself silently through methane storms. Its surface shimmers with bioluminescent patches, signaling unseen allies and guiding microbial swarms beneath its folds. This wraith nurtures rather than consumes, fostering microbial blooms that feed on its chemical waste while providing buoyancy in return. Does it dance through the air, its veils curling intricately, or hang motionless, a living canopy over icy wastes, sheltering life below? The wraith's alien essence haunts the void. If it floats, weaving through the dark, it redefines life as motion, not conquest. Is it a gardener, nurturing the planet's fragile ecosystem, or a wanderer, indifferent to the life it fosters? Its forms, spherical, veiled, or moat-like, evade comprehension. As of late 2023 and early 2024, scientists have discovered over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets. This number is constantly growing as new exoplanets are discovered and confirmed, with the latest update as of May 19, 2025. NASA science stating that more than 5,900 have been confirmed in the habitable zone. 5 of the most well-known exoplanets that could potentially support life are Kepler 452b, Gliese 667cc, TRAPPIST-1e, Kepler 186f, and Kepler 62f. These planets are considered promising candidates due to their location within their star's habitable zone, where liquid water could exist on their surfaces. Proxima Centauri b is the closest one, approximately 4.22 light-years from Earth. Sounds close, but to accelerate any object with mass to the speed of light would require an infinite amount of energy, according to the Department of Energy and scientists. Another honorable mention is K218b, an exoplanet orbiting a red dwarf star, K218, located about 124 light-years from Earth. Discovered in 2015, K218b gained attention in April 2025 when a team of scientists, including lead author Niku Madhusudan, reported the detection of potential biosignatures on the planet. This groundbreaking discovery has sparked excitement in the scientific community, as it suggests that K218b may possess conditions suitable for life. raising profound questions about the possibilities of extraterrestrial ecosystems. As research continues, K218b stands at the forefront of our quest to understand whether we are truly alone in the universe. But how could we be alone with countless worlds out there? There are more stars in the observable universe than all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches combined. This staggering number invites us to ponder the potential for diverse life forms across myriad planets, each with unique conditions that could foster life. The sheer scale of the cosmos fuels our curiosity and drives the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, reminding us that the universe may be teeming with possibilities just waiting to be discovered. In the void, a world breathes. Not Earth, but its ghost. Earth 2.0. Its atmosphere hums with secrets. Alien, unknowable. This world, a super-Earth cloaked in darkness, churns with possibility. Its atmosphere, heavy with methane and water vapor, could cradle life unlike any known. Microbial swarms, or plant-like growths, might thrive in its veiled air. No light pierces its clouds, yet something stirs. The question of alien life burns, its answer lost in the planet's gloom. Could tiny cells, feeding on chemical torrents, drift in endless cycles? Or do fibrous forms, alien and unyielding, sprawl across its frozen crust? The air hums, alive with secrets, but the shapes within remain unseen, their nature a riddle whispered in the void. Two questions have haunted humanity since the dawn of civilization. What happens when we die, and are we alone in the universe? Perhaps we may be closer to answering one of them. With countless galaxies out there and even more worlds, we have only tapped into a drop of water in the ocean of knowledge and understanding of the universe. But how would alien life evolve and appear in such a dark and ominous world? It may take a path we can't even imagine. Let's use our imagination to revisit and enhance what we've learned. The planet's air trembles with alien potential. Microbes, not bound by familiar biology, could swarm in its methane-choked haze, feeding on chemical rivers that surge through the atmosphere. These cells, if they exist, might form vast, invisible clouds, cycling through the dark, their metabolism a dance of alien energy. Their structure could be bizarre, crystalline, perhaps, or fluid, adapting to a world without sun. Plant-like forms, dark and sinewy, might anchor to the planet's icy surface, their tendrils probing for liquid pools hidden beneath the frost. These growths, not plants as we know them, could pulse with chemical vigor, their forms sprawling like living webs across barren plains. A voice from the void calls. This world's air is alive with strange forms. The possibility gnaws at the silence, unrelenting. Could these microbes cluster, forming faint glowing colonies that drift like ghosts? Or do the plant-like structures weave into mats, their fibers tough against the planet's cold, their purpose opaque? The atmosphere, thick as a shroud, might shield them from cosmic rays, or it could choke them with its own toxins. Perhaps the microbes metabolize methane itself, exhaling stranger gases, while the fibrous forms sip from geothermal vents, their growth slow, deliberate, alien. The planet's darkness hides their scale. Are these forms solitary, each a lone spark in the gloom? Or do they entwine, microbes and growths in a symbiotic dance, sharing chemical bounties? The air might be a battlefield, with microbial swarms consuming the edges of plant-like mats, or a cradle, where both coexist in eerie balance. No eyes have seen them, yet their presence feels certain, a pulse in the planet's heart. The question lingers: what drives such life? Chemical gradients, magnetic fields, or something beyond our grasp? The void offers no answers, only whispers of life's relentless will. But how do we know that life out there could exist? The universe is incredibly vast and filled with mysteries we have yet to uncover. Just think about the countless forms of life that could exist beyond our understanding, creatures that might challenge our very perception of reality. Imagine beings of unimaginable shapes and sizes, some so alien that a mere glimpse of them could haunt our dreams and keep us awake at night. These entities could possess abilities and characteristics that are beyond our wildest imagination, breaking the boundaries of what we consider life. The thought of encountering such beings is both thrilling and terrifying. We only have a glimpse of this dark world, and yet it's probably less than 1% of what could be out there in the ominous universe. The vastness of space is filled with possibilities. Each star potentially hosting its own unique ecosystems and civilizations. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must prepare ourselves for the unknown. What if we discover life forms that defy our understanding of biology? What if they are not just like us, but completely different in ways we can hardly comprehend? The implications of such discoveries could reshape our understanding of life itself. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge, we gather clues about the conditions that foster life. Are we alone, or do vibrant communities of extraterrestrial beings thrive just beyond our reach? With every discovery, we inch closer to answering this age-old question. As we conclude our exploration of the intriguing possibilities of dark worlds and life beyond Earth, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey. The universe is an endless expanse, brimming with potential and wonders yet to be uncovered. We may only be one of many forms of life in this vast cosmos, and every new discovery brings us closer to understanding the unknown. If you enjoyed this journey and want to support the channel, check out our Patreon link in the description below. Your support means the world, and if you'd like to help us grow, consider subscribing, sharing this video, and leaving your thoughts in the comments. We welcome your suggestions for future topics and ways we can enhance our content. Just a reminder, all the visuals you've seen in this video have been generated using CGI technology. This channel isn't just mine, it belongs to all of us. Let's continue to share knowledge, as it is meant to be shared. I'm excited to learn from each of you as we embark on this adventure together. If you found this exploration captivating, I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you for joining me on this quest into the unknown. Until next time, see you.